Welcome. Welcome in this course where we are going to learn all about TypeScript. We will start from zero and we'll go to the next level. So let's look at what are we going to cover in this course. So we are going to first look at what is TypeScript. Then we are going to understand why should we even learn TypeScript? What was the problem with JavaScript? After that, we will move on to learning the concepts of TypeScript like variable declarations, functions, interface, class, access modifiers, and much more. All this we will learn in a step by step approach by doing hands on practical examples. Along the way, we will do a lot of coding, which will make you comfortable with TypeScript. Then you can go ahead and explore TypeScript in any project or just bare bone TypeScript. You can use TypeScript with frameworks like Angular, React, Vue, or just create TypeScript based projects independently. The choice will be yours. So let's get started. I will see you in the course. Till then, bye bye.